Okay, so stop using 5 different Python libraries just to build one face analysis system. So there is this GitHub repo called Uniface, which is a unified face analysis library for Python. You can use it for face detection, recognition, tracking, landmarks, face parsing, gaze estimation, head pose, emotion, anti-spoofing, and even face anonymization. And the best part is it works on CPU, Apple Silicon, and NVIDIA CUDA. So to install this, what you have to do is you have to simply head on to this GitHub repo. Let me show you the GitHub repo. So basically this is the GitHub repo, and the link of this GitHub repo you will get in the pin comment where you are watching this video, YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, wherever it can be. So you can grab it from there, and here you have to scroll down, and this is a Python package, so you can install it using pip. And here we have 3 commands, so you can check this. First is for CPU and Apple Silicon, second is for the GPU NVIDIA CUDA, and the third one we have for the latest pre-release. And here you can see that this is the face detection here, this is the facial landmarks here, then we have the face mesh, and here we also have the docs button as well, so you can read out more regarding these two. Then we have the face quality, cut faces out, you can see this. Then we have the face segmentation, portrait matching, head pose, gaze estimation as I mentioned, and it can also read a face as well, like age and sex. So you can check this out about the age and the sex, which is male or female. You can see this out here. Then we have the emotion here, from which you can detect whether it is happy, surprise, and for this you will get a score as well. You can see this out here. And then we have the face states, and you can use it for the anti-spoofing as well. You also have this docs. You came to know about the live capture, printed photo, or screen replay. So you will came to know about whether it is real or fake from here, along with the score here. And then you have the face recognition. So we can understand the use case like you are building a check-in check-out system for an organization in which employees have to check in using their face. So if they have a different face, then it won't match, and you will get a score like this in negative. And if the face will be matched, it will show match. So this is a real case example that I am giving you. And then we have the face anonymization. So to know more about this, you can simply use the docs from here, or for the notebooks you can refer to this, and you will get the Google Colab notebooks for these. And if you want to run it locally, then you can run it using these simple commands. So if you are interested in face recognition, then this library is just for you, and you can start analyzing faces with just a few lines of Python. Save this GitHub repo if you are building anything with computer vision, and make sure to follow me. I share useful stuff every day. So see you tomorrow.